Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing a collab with Dory from Dory's Dollies and Renee from Inspired by Pink Renee Loves Barbies. And we made coats for our Kenner dolls, so I brought everybody down. I used this pattern. Let me find it real quick here. I got one right in the back. It's a very strange pattern. It's free on the internet. It is for registered trademark Kenner body Blythe dolls called Here We Come a Caroling. And I thought this was just cute, and I wanted to try it because to me, patterns, clothing patterns, are like puzzles. And you take the pieces and you put them together with your sewing machine or sew by hand. And this was just a very strange pattern. Look at the sleeves. And I just wanted to try it. So Christmas time, along with Tina's Reborns and more, she and I always do a green-haired, oh, I didn't comb her hair. Let me turn it back around. A green-haired Blythe doll Christmas collab. So I took this pattern and made this cape for my little caroler with the little bonnet. I used an 18-inch bonnet on that. And I made her a little caroling, what do you call those, little hymnal caroling holder. And this is the same pattern. What I did is I just added layers and lace to this one. But when I did the Kenner cape, I wanted to do it as is in the pattern. Let me move this real quick and show you. My rickrack was lined up perfectly, and I'm not kidding this time. You know, I joke about that a lot and tell you to adjust your screen. It really was lined up just perfectly, and then I put the snap in, and it came out a little crooked, but I'm okay with it. But I thought she needed a little beret to go with that, so I used an 18-inch doll pattern for that and made her a little blue beret, and I rather like it. The cape, I'm iffy on. Kind of wish I had done a different fabric, but overall, I like the pattern. And while I was at it, I just went ahead and got my Kenner collection out so you could see them all. I do want to brag on my husband. Let me move these girls down just a little bit. I have 7 Kenners. I need one more. I'm trying to collect, or I am collecting, all 4 color hair in the 6 line and the 7 line. But I want to brag on my husband. Oh, sweetheart, this is my first Kenner Blythe. Her hair is in pre-played with condition. And I have twice thought about going in and really redoing it. But you know what? Doesn't that just give her a lot of personality? Darren makes these stands for my Blythe dolls. And if you'll notice, he started adding the 1972 and the 7 line or 6 line. So at a glance, you know what it is. I love it. And he makes these little tiny shoes. Oh my goodness. You know how doll shoes can be a thing. I also collect the original clothing, and I have quite a few in these. I'm not going to get that all out because the focus of the video today is, I sew for them too. Focus of the video is the little coat, but I had bought this case, really good condition, but the little container was missing, and Darren 3D printed the little container, the little drawer, and I am just thrilled with that. And then, of course, I've got shoes in about every color, so I am very, very blessed and Blythe rich, and oh God, I love it. I just do. I am looking forward to one day finding my raven hair in 6 line. Please leave a comment below. Do you own a Kenner Blythe? These are my grail dolls, if you would. If there was a fire, my Kenners are in their containers stacked up, ready to go, and these would be the dolls that I grab. Please go by and see Dory and Renee today. They are incredible. They have beautiful Blythe dolls. You're just going to want to see their Kenners. and what they made today. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
They are beautiful.
God, this is my thing. I like the beret. I just don't know if I like, and now that the snap got a little crooked, that makes me mad because I really did have that lined up perfect.